How to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can transfer the Sweatcoin balance to Sweat Wallet. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So the very first thing you can do is simply download those two applications on their device. Those two applications are very easily available on Google Play Store. You may just download it from there and simply log in into your account or sign up. After signing up, you'll be able to see this kind of home interface on your Sweatcoin. So here you can see. So what you can do is simply go to this balance section here, and here, if you're new to this account, you'll be able to get a message like if you want to connect your Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet or not. Simply tap on that and you will be directly connected to Sweat Wallet, which is very easy. So you don't need to do any kind of transaction or transfer in both of the apps. Both of the app are connected. You may just get the balance on both of the app. You may just use the balance from both of the app, which is very easy and convenient. So you just don't need to transfer or do anything. You may just simply tap on this balance sheet and you'll be redirected to another app, that is Sweat Wallet. So you can see, I can see the balance on both of the app. So in order to get balance, you just need to walk and earn that Sweat dollar. So here you can just claim it after that, getting into your both of the apps. So therefore, that is how you basically transfer balance from Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.